Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the first vlog of my birthday series, and here I am with the second vlog. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the wedding season has already begun, and I thought of showing you some amazing affordable jewelry pieces which you can style एंड बाय फॉर योर सेल्फ फॉर द अपकमिंग वेडिंग सीजन. सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं इस पीस के साथ जो मैंने अभी पहना हुआ है. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सिल्वर ऑक्सीडाइज सेट which will look very nice and very pretty with any pre-wedding functions, and you can pair this with a nice lehenga choli, multicolor lehenga choli, black, white. It will go with all the outfits. Next is this set which you have already seen in my first vlog, and trust me guys, whenever I have worn this set I have got a lot of compliments. And this is a very versatile set जो आप अपने pre-wedding functions में और साथ में cocktail dresses के साथ किसी के साथ भी पेयर कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स अ पर्ल नेकलेस एंड पर्ल मेक्स यू लुक वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एंड वेरी एलिगेंट एट द सेम टाइम. If you are looking for a perfect cocktail set, then I recommend this very beautiful diamond set which will go with all the outfits, whether it's a sequin sari or a sequin lehenga. It will look just perfect, and you can wear this multiple times on multiple occasions. So this is one of my favorite pieces that I highly recommend. तो अगला सेट है, ये मेरा और भी ज़्यादा फेवरेट है. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बिग चोकर एट द सेंटर इन ग्रीन कलर, and then beautiful layer of moti all around. And look at the earrings, they are so big and so pretty. It gives a very Maharani kind of a look, and you can never go wrong with this, styling this set with multiple suits, multiple dresses and multiple occasions. The best part is that this set is only for rupees 190. I can bet nobody can say that this set is for 190 rupees. It's a very beautiful set, and it's another high recommendation from my side. So my next recommendation are these beautiful oxidized jhalar earrings in this long shape, which looks very beautiful and gives a nice cut to your face and makes you look slimmer as well. And this is for those who just want a hassle-free haldi and a nice elevation of the look from 0 to 100. So these earrings are also very lightweight and very affordable, so that you can enjoy the function without worrying about the heavy weights or anything. If you're looking for something simple yet elegant piece to go with your shararas, saris, this is the high recommendation from my side. It's a very beautiful set which has essence of gold, and it also looks like you have put rubies all over the necklace. It will give you a very modern yet traditional look. Next set is also for someone who is looking for simple yet very traditional look, and this is the perfect choice. It's a matar mala kind of a set which has a very beautiful polki work at the bottom with these beautiful ghungroos, and these beautiful earrings just adds to that traditional charm. So this set is a proper bridal set that I want to recommend. Just beautiful pearls and this polki work going all over. It's a beautiful choker set which comes with these beautiful long earrings. The best part about this set is that even after your marriage you can continue to use this set just with a little black dress, golden dress, or anything you want to wear, anything western, ethnic. You can use this set over and over again in multiple ways. This is also a high recommendation. I kept the best for the last. It's a very beautiful choker set in gold, and it's more of an antique gold which brings that old traditional vibe, and it looks very beautiful, which can also be worn as a bridal set, or you can wear it otherwise for the wedding functions with saris, suits, anything. I wore this set for pujo function and I got so many compliments. So if you're looking for a bridal set or after wedding, or also for if you're attending a wedding this year, I highly recommend this set. Yes, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video and like all the pieces that I show, and would definitely buy one for yourself for the upcoming wedding season. And by the way, all these pieces are easily available on Flipkart and Myntra, and at really good prices. This set is the most expensive one, which retails for like 800 or 900, and rest of the pieces are below 500 rupees. So go grab it now. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. Also, the giveaway is still on, so do participate in the giveaway. And until next time, as always, stay happy and stay positive. Bye bye.